this and that toys.
Okay, here we go again. Day 3 of December. It's time to wake her up so she can find the elf and do the advent calendar and then get ready for school. Into the darkness again. Good morning, Adalia. Good morning, my dear. It's Happy Friday. What day is it?
December 3rd.
December 3rd. This is going fast, huh?
Yeah.
You ready to wake up? Where are you? I don't want to blind you. I always kind of wait. This doesn't help anyway. You can see her shadow, sort of, right?
Don't put it in my face.
No? Okay. That's why we were just coming to the darkness. Shall we go down and see what's going on around town? Good morning, puppy, wuppy, wuppy. Where are you? Hi. I know you said I'm so excited. Adalia's awake. Yay, Adalia's awake. Oh, the puppy love. Oh, no, puppy fights. Huh. Are you awake, little lady?
Yeah. Is it time to go to the advent calendar?
Whatever you want to do. Find the elves, do the advent. You decide. What's up? What is that? Turn some light on. Can't see.
It's Christy.
Christy, what are you doing?
What did she do?
What did she do? Oh my goodness. What did she do? What? Christy?
Christy.
I think you were a bad little elf last night. What? Well, she remembered safety. She's got her goggles on.
Yeah.
Protect your eyes, but then she's shooting at everybody else?
What?
Oh no. Look at this. Were they target practice for her? Aww. Look at everybody. She even covered their mouths so they couldn't scream for help. Oh.
Now it's gonna be hard to open and close these. Cause look at.
No. Oh no, Zulu, what has she done to you?
Oh, Zulu. Why'd you do that, Christy?
I hope it was in good fun. They are all shut up. You poor little friends. Look at that. Holy moly. Still trying to wake it up, aren't you, girl? Christy, 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 what have you done? Look at you. Nerf guns, darts. You remembered your goggles, but then shot everybody else without a pair on. You crazy little girl, you. Huh. Look it. She got a Merry Christmas sign. Where'd that come from?
Oh, this?
Yeah. Where did it come from? School? Somebody passed them out?
Yeah.
One of the teachers?
Yeah.
They're very cute. So what'd she do? Get in your backpack or something?
I don't know.
Okay.
But she has it.
Oh my. Elves, man. They're troublemakers. Huh. Alright. You ready?
Yeah.
We're on day 3.
Ready?
See what's in there. What is all that?
These are two spiky balls that you like just like roll around in your hands. And this is a puzzle ball.
A puzzle ball?
It's like a puzzle.
Let me see. So it comes apart or something?
Yeah, so
Interesting. I've never seen one of those before. So there's your little spiky balls. So you just kind of like do like this.
yeah. I can't get this out.
I have no idea what that is, so I'm not even sure I can help you. So there's like one little spot that's supposed to open.
Yeah.
Look at that. So some kind of puzzle ball comes apart. Well, we gotta figure out how to get it apart. Huh. What are these little holes for?
I don't know. Well, we got a puzzle ball, and if we ever figure it out, we'll let you know.
Alright, girlfriend, should we change our calendar so we don't forget like yesterday?
Yep. "22 days till Christmas."
Wow, this is amazing. It's happening so fast. I'm so excited. So December 3rd.
Look down.
Look down. Oh, the cone of shame has followed you. Huh. Hi, cutie patootie. You little speckled nose. Oh, wonder what she was thinking.
Yeah. This is stretch.
Yeah. Alright, so it's Friday at school. So today is Spirit Day, huh? And what else do you get?
Hot cocoa.
That's right, it's Hot Cocoa Day at school.
Did you put Baby Yoda in my backpack?
I did. Baby Yoda's in your
I
backpack.
want to carry him to school.
Okay, well,
There he is.
let's see. You taking Baby Yoda for your snuggle with your hot cocoa, huh? Yodi, he's so cute. Oh, you made him cry. You made him cry. Poor little Yodi. Oh, got everybody's attention. Here comes Reggie.
I can just sit and stare at the elf. Throw this back at her.
Oh. You throw it at her? Oh, no.
Oh, how did
She
she
must-
actually get them to stick on the wall?
I don't know.
These don't stick well.
She's an elf. She can do whatever she wants.
If I were to throw it, it would not stick.
No, but your dog will eat it.
Get it.
Where is it?
No.
Oh, yeah, it's probably in his mouth by now. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Where'd it go?
It's right there.
Okay. Alright.
How did she get it to
Can you say,
stick?
I don't know, elf magic?
Yeah. Okay, guys. Well, it's time for me to get ready for school. So make sure to like and subscribe, and make sure to hit the bell so you get notified whenever I post a video. Bye, guys. Peace. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun videos.